Greetings, dear public. My name is Juan Hernández, and I am Master in Biological Science from the National University of Colombia. This work was carried out with the bees Apis mellifera scutellata in Colombia, the africanized honeybees. Let's begin with the following. The resulting feeding behavior vital survival in the animals and the environment by nature is a variable super scenario. Each behavior has costs and benefits, with biological and adaptive implications in a changing environment. For example, during the resource exploitation period, the cumulative difference between the richest alternatives and the poorest alternatives is the cost of concentrating on exploiting the poorest alternative. Optimal foraging implies the ability of animals to make full use of information they recognize prey and to have a freedom to choose it or not during their encounter. Let's now look at that. We designed an experiment to emulate a resource supply scenario. In this scenario, each bee could learn to exploit a resource associated with a color signal. We use two color signals distributed randomly and with the same probability of encounter. The two color signals could be discriminated in the visual space of the bees. We performed 4 experiments, changing the difference in sugar concentration between the floral alternatives. In each experiment, we generate 3 phases. In the first phase, there was no difference between the result options associated with the two types of color. In the second phase, a color option had higher concentration of sucrose, and in the third phase, the situation was reversed. During foraging, honeybees decide whether or not to exploit the option. Honeybees prefer to carry out sampling visits until they find the alternate option. However, we found that the cost of sampling to choose the most profitable option is reduced thanks to color learning processes. Thus, sampling time and learning effects are associated with the experience and affect the ability to eat an optimal diet as suggested in previous models. Thanks for your attention.